This Rockets team is passing the ball, sharing the ball. It's like a totally different look. They led 14-6 under 3 minutes to go. The first game of the James Harden era ends with a win.
The Rockets had 313 passes on Thursday. In their first game without James Harden, that happened to be their most passes in any game this season. Funny how that worked out.
6 games in a row, 7 of 10. The latest came against the Thunder last night.
This is the classic way that you trade a superstar and not tank.
Jalen,
And
here's the
you
thought
can do
I
that
had.
when you have a head coach like Steven Silas, who came right in and navigating magnificently with the Houston Rockets.
Now, without James Harden on the team, is when they set a game franchise record for threes.